Hello, Lomita.
Where you guys going?
Farmer market.
Okay, let's go check it out. Good morning.
I'm telling you, this is my last time with her, man.
Whatever.
No, it's just
Whatever.
That's all I know you don't.
I like to do video and they don't like it. But you know, when we die, the kid can go YouTube and like, oh, that's my mom, my dad. They know how to go farmer market. So it's indoor farmer market all year round. We are so happy. We're gonna explore farmer market. And over here, this is a beautiful art. I don't know who y'all that is so beautiful. We park over there. Looking nice in here. Some beautiful flowers. Yeah, this is a store hour. Good morning. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at all this amazing stuff. Oh, maybe we can buy magnet in here. Yeah, we can buy magnet. Hello, good morning. Do you guys have magnet? You looking for magnet? Magnet? Oh, look. We like to eat fruit. Fat fruit. Very fat. Oh, some nice jewelries. My produce. Good. Oh, look at the baby carrot. Oh, pillow. A lot of lady candle and what is this? Look like honey jam, pickle. Oh, they're gonna go in a circle. $5 each. Cucumber. That is what you call happiness, right? Mississippi. Okay, where'd they go? Oh, they have eggs that they put in the refrigerator. They just want to go in the circles. There it is. Nice, no? Oh, they have fruit too. Potato, onions, potato, green onions. Pasta, the old.
Cái hốt lên nhà cái gì nha, hốt lên nhà có gì nha. Where?
No, not me. Kamu bay tầm những củ, muốn mình củ hả? Đó là tao bơ dùng có bơ đó. Ở đây là cho bà đám cái coffee nha. Oh, cashew. Đừng có nhà sức. Đây coi, đúng mà boba với mày nha. Hello, I have boba but cashew. Boba with
어,
cashew.
이거 잠깐만 오게 이거 맛보면.
No, I don't want to drink that.
너 또 먹으면 안
No,
나.
no, no. Boba. Let's look at some plants, like we can bring them home. No. But we wish we could bring them home. You! What a gem you know, Joy. I never see this before. So beautiful. Let me try in here. Shanghai in
Like you escaped everything
this
and then
is
you're like,
delicious.
really?
Yeah, I was hoping you guys would actually cook them here too.
Unfortunately, we
Show you guys some more plant. It's beautiful. It's unique. You never see it before. Some of them you can see in Canada only or in the jungle. Okay. So there was some donut.
Huh?
Some sweet, some carrot. Carrot must be in season, but they are homegrown, so they are tiny tin. They look big in here, but actually they are tiny. This is for your dog. It's so nice that you know you have for dog treat also. Where the I wish we have the thing to cook. Ooh, look, we cannot cook. I wish we can cook. Oh, some nut. Ramen.
We were at Denver and like the Sunday. Oh, nice. So it's like a big
Barbecue. Ooh, that's so beautiful. Very beautiful. Look at that. Delicious. Oh, the toys so pretty. The toys.
Yeah, very sweet.
So cute. I need to try some food.
Yeah.
Quá mình ta gắng pung quá, muốn cái mình pung.
Oh yeah, let's go check the other side. No, you can
Good one,
go.
huh? Oh, what am I cooking, huh?
I'm gonna go a little more. I haven't checked this
Okay,
other side
yeah.
yet.
Nếu bữa nào khoan phải nữa.
Let's go make one run. Yeah, you can one outside your mom outside it. Hi. You can have it. Mama told me apa.
Ini nama tang cuy.
Atang.
Oh, this one is this, and they got this.
Yeah. What's that?
Oh,
Oh, lá bò yum. Little cherry.
this is interesting.
What cherry? Huh?
Ra đây chút cái này.
The pot.
Hiện đơn Việt Nam.
Is this a type of cherry or what? I've never
That's
seen it.
currants.
Currants. Oh.
They're very tart.
Okay.
They're hot.
Tarty.
Hot. Cam nha.
Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Oh, sour.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
okay, okay. Okay. Nhưng mà nó
Well,
cam
what
nữa.
cherry?
onion.
Thank you. Thank you.
Like when I was deciding to either come back here or stay there, I had a job offer.
Hello, I saw something. Thế này em muốn mà cô. Mẹ rồi. I see something that I want to eat. I'm gonna tell you to help me, but because I'm not sure if they bất đồng. I think bất đồng way.
Lại một con nhận.
Yeah, tell her to come and get it. There's some gemstone là trái.
Okay.
And then she got, yes. They got the fat beef.
Nhà tôi cháu chọc cái chuyện đó cháu rồi.
Oh yeah. Bữa mất tổng chí cũng chưa nó bữa mà.
Mình hướng tiền là nhận đó. Mình nó trốn tới khả năng ổn nào cháu sai đó.
Rất dài tới. Oh, that's why it's salty. Oh, kimchi. White kimchi. Kimchi. Mang tật khu như là. Oh, sorry. Ồ, cho bây giờ nó tài nha. So,
Schedule this one. You come better, man. It's all worth farming. That's it. What's hard to that's what we found out.
okay, Jonah. So thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Now try these.
Thank you. Bye-bye. We are going home.